Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Amy, and I'm going to be sharing today some tips for some cute little holiday, maybe neighbor gifts, or even just for your own Christmas tree. I was really excited. This whole theme of this specific video is like Pinterest inspired, and I was looking on there for some good ideas. And oh my gosh, I found the cutest like 2020 themed ornaments because gosh, it is a weird year, right? So I feel like for sure this is a year to, let's talk about like, you want to remember it, right? You want to remember that Christmas with the toilet paper shortage or all of that stuff. So I had our designer create these adorable little ornaments, printables. So we have these printables for you guys. Any order placed in the month of December gets this in the idea book, and it has a link to these. So I just wanted to share them. So the year we quarantined, it is so cute. And each of these have a specific template in mind that they were designed with. So that's kind of fun. That's something that, you can always do. I think this one is Hallmark, but this is frame. Anyway, so like they all have a specific one in mind, but then you can really just play to create and definitely have some fun. So if you're watching, say hi, let me know you're there. I'd love to chat with you guys. Anyway, so I made some fun ones. There's 6 different options in this printable. Super fun. Let's see. Hey guys. So I'll share this one. So I didn't realize it even though I've seen the movie like a million times, but this one is from National Lampoon's Christmas. Or I guess in homage to that show. The jolliest bunch of nut jobs stuck in quarantine. Anyway, so I thought it was so cute. This is this little template is a little sneak peek. Let me just read some comments. So it's a little sneak peek. This is a template, but I use woodland creatures, and this is Hallmark, and just kind of put it together. And then the nut is from Autumn, and then that's just like from Rings, and then this is from the December Kiwi Club kit. So kind of a little sneak peek there if you haven't got yours yet. But I just kind of wanted to share. Super simple. One thing that I do to make it a really thicker option when you're printing these templates. So I just print it on cardstock. You can also print it on like printer paper. Like on this one, I printed it on some like really light pattern paper. So you can cut your template out, but then you just cut your template out of, and this is like, I'm assuming we all have some, right? I mean, this is from the cardstock from the back of any scrapbook paper, right? I feel like I have 100 pieces from long ago. They used to come with them. I don't know if they do anymore, or you can absolutely buy, I think you buy like thin cardstock. So I just used it on the cardstock, and then when I did it, I just went through and like really inked the cardstock as well. So this one is using Woodland Creatures, Autumn, Hallmark, Rings. This is from the Gnome set. And what's fun is you could really add that to like any woodland creature, but because this is a bunch of nut jobs. So I absolutely love that. And then this one, it's actually a more simple one. I just only use Love at Home, but this is the one I'm making for everybody that works with my husband. He's like, I want a little something, nothing crazy, and he's gonna give him some Toblerone too, but because he has to give him the chocolate, which is always fun. I think everybody loves Toblerone. I hope. I'm trying to find. Oh, of course, guys, look, I went through and labeled all my templates, but I have a big stack that aren't put away because that's what I was using, so it's not in there. But this is just the little Love at Home. It has the cute this little heart right there. And so what I did was I printed this on kind of that pattern paper, and you can see right there, Anyway, so we're gonna make this, and I just think the Merry Quarantine Christmas, that's like perfect neighbor gift or office gift, because that's just something everybody wants to remember, right? I mean, it's just the weirdest Christmas ever that we have to kind of be apart. I was feeling a little bit sick, and I have a funeral to go to on Saturday, so I went and got COVID tested today. It was awful, but luckily I am clean and clear. But I was like, I don't want to go to the funeral and not know. Anyway, so I went and got tested today, which was not fun. So these, and I was telling everybody, these templates, it's in the gift giving guide. So the gift giving guide, it's literally any purchase in the month of December, it automatically goes into your order. So I mean, you can buy one thing, you can buy 10 things, it doesn't matter. If it's over a penny, and you get the gift giving guide, and there's so many other ideas like these in there. So that's a lot of fun. I just wanted to share these specific ones. And then this was my favorite. I was laughing way too hard at it because, so this is with the old Christmas set. If you don't have that, there's a lot of other ones you can use. Like you can use the frame. You know, it could absolutely sit on that and maybe just stick out a little bit more, or Hallmark or vintage. I mean, there's a lot of different ones you could use. Even like streamers could be really fun with this. So even like looking at like tiny accents, it's a little bit smaller, but you could absolutely use this if you don't have the Christmas set. There's lots and lots of options. Yes, Debbie, so we will be posting pictures of this. Every one of these crafted lives will go and be on the blog. So we'll have pictures and we'll have like all of this and stuff. Anyway, but what I loved is I used the new Build a Snowman set, which is a lot of fun if you haven't had a chance to use it. You can kind of go, there's like 1 circle, 2 circle, the hat and everything. Anyway, so I built a little mask for my snowman because it's COVID outside. I laughed way too hard at that. I absolutely thought it was so cute that she created that. It was so fun. And then just simple enamel dots. You don't even have to, you could do like a little carrot popping out of the mask, which would be kind of cute. Anyway, so these are just some fun little neighbor gifts. All I did was I used tape. You might want to use something a little better than that, but like you could punch a hole if you have like a little hole and tie a knot at the top for ornaments and stuff. But these are really simple, cute gifts that I'm like, I think everybody would want like some way to remember this year. So I think it's definitely a great gift and some way you could share your talents and bring joy. So we made some cookies, or we're gonna make some cookies and then throw these on the top of the cookies, and it's just a simple way to let people know that you love them, but then also have something that they can put on their tree and remember this crazy year. You might want to give that to people who have a sense of humor, right? But yes, thank you for joining me. These are a lot of fun and definitely something that you would have fun making. I think they're all really cute for sure. I think like adding stuff, but also, let me grab it. If you don't want to go like crazy, I will show this. So this one it's a cute little guy and it fits perfectly in this tiny holiday. So basically it's literally just that template. Like I said, you can probably tape it better than it's kind of coming off. But super simple way. You don't have to do anything crazy. I've added this to the back of a card actually, so that's why it's like that. But if you cut it out on this cardstock, it'd be thick enough that literally that's like all you have to do. You don't have to do anything special, just use the printable and create a little ornament. Okay, Debbie, how do you find the blog? Let me add that link for you. But it's also, if you go to the website, hope that went to you, but it's kiwilane.com/blog, or if you just go to kiwilane.com, there's a button at the top with blog. It has all of the events on here. We'll have the video, we'll have the pictures, all of that information on how to get to it. Anyway, so I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for joining me, and I hope you're creating something fun for your friends and family and neighbors, because it's always fun to share and spread creativity. Have an awesome day, guys.